Hey guys, welcome to your channel, Maths are Us.
Part 2 Examples. Let's have some more examples. Question 1. You have your 3-year investment of $20,000 received 5.2% interested compound semi-annually half year. What is your total return? Now, let's put these things in the formula. You want to find the total return, that's future value. What is your original amount? That's $20,000. And 1 plus interest rate. What is your interest rate? 5.2%. 5.2% is equal to 5.2 divided by 100. Let's move your decimal point twice to here. It's equal to 0.052 over the time fraction. The time fraction is semi-annual. Remember, how many semi-annual in a year? 2. So that's why divided by 2. If you're not quite sure with the time and the year fraction, make sure you check the previous part of this video. And what is the power? The power, we use k times n. K in this case is 2. The 2 times n is time by year. How many years? In here, 3 years. So that's why we 2 times 3. Now we sort out like this. 20,000, 1.026 power 6 equal to 20,000 times 1.16649 in your calculator equal to $23,329.97. That is the total amount you get after your 3 years investment. Let's see question number 2. You borrowed this amount of money for 2 years in 11%, which is compound annually. Annually is the easiest one, so it's just 1 year. 1 annual equal to 1 year, so the time fraction is just 1. In this case, k equal to 1. And you need to find out the total amount you get back. Now let's put it into the formula. The original amount in here is 59,000. The interest rate is 11%. That's 11 over 100. Move decimal point twice. It will be 0.11. We put in there 0.11 over, in this case, k is equal to 1. Now k is 1. So 1 times n. N is the time of year. How many years? 2 years. In this case, n equal to 2. So 1 times 2. After we sort out this, it becomes 1.11 and a power 2. Putting your calculator is equal to 72,693.90 cents. That's how we work out question 2. Let's have a look question 3. Your allowance is $190 and 11% compound monthly for 1 and 2 over 3 years. And what is your total amount back after 1 and 2 over 3 years? Same thing, put it back in the formula. So future value, that means total amount. This is what we need to find out. That's question 3. Is total amount will equal to your principal is $190 and 1 plus your interest rate is 11%. That's 11 over 100. That's 0.11. And what is your k? Because that's monthly, so the k will equal to 12 because there's 12 months in a year. So that's why over k is 12. K at time n. N is how long in the year. In the question, that's time 1 and 2 over 3. 1 and 2 over 3 is 5 over 3, and we time 12. Simplify, that's 4 times 5, that's 20. So this is equal to power 20. Put in the calculator, it's equal to 228.4 cents. That is the total amount you get after 1 and 2 over 3 years. That's your answer. Now let's see question 4. Your 6 and 1 over 4 year investment that was your original amount, $40,000, and this is your rate, interest rate, 40% is equal to 0.14 decimal point. Compound quarterly, how many quarters in a year? 4. So in this case, K equal to 4. And year equal to 6 and 1 over 4. All right, now let's see the total amount you can get after this amount of time. So now your principal money is $40,000, and time 1 plus interest rate is 0.14, and divided by K. In this case, your K is 4, and your power 4 K times N. N is how many years? 6 and 1 over 4. Now 6 and 1 over 4 will equal to 25 over 4, and time 4 times 4, simplify, equal to 25. We will write this equation, it's like this. Putting your calculator, it's equal to $94,000, 529.80 cents. That's the answer of question 4. Now let's see question 5. You borrowed $1,690, and 4, that's your year loans. So N equal to 5 and 1 over 2. And this is your compound rate, 5.7%. We convert to decimal point, it's 0.057. And the compound semi-annual, that's half year. So that's why it's divided by 2, because there's 2 half year in 1 year. In this case, K equal to 2. So find your total amount. So it will be equal to 1,690 plus 1 plus interest rate is 0.057 divided by your K is 2. And then Kn, 2 times N. What is your N? It's in here, 5, 1 over 2. 5, 1 over 2 equal to 11 over 2. And time 2, simplify. So that's equal to 11. We write this formula and put in the calculator, approximately equal to $2,302.15. That's the question 5. Now let's see question 6. This is your original amount, and this is your rate. You convert to decimal point, it's 0.058. That's compound annually, very easy, annually. So K equal to 1. And for how long? 8 years, N equal to 8. You can pause the video, you check yourself. Let's see how you organize this number into the formula. It's like this, right? Put it into the calculator, finally you can get answer like that. Now let's summarize. In this video, we have learned the compound interest formula, how we find the total value in the future from this original put in, and how can we find the total interest, that's future value, take away the principal. And one more thing, if we know the future value, but we don't know the principal amount or anything in this equation, How can we find them out? Simply reorganize this equation. For example, if you want to find the principal value, you simply reorganize this equation like this. Be flexible. That's the compound interest. Thanks for watching. Bye.